In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser, search for Bing AI image. Create. Here you can type your prompt in description. Click on create.
After a few seconds, here is the result.
Button. Click on image to create if you want to face swap this.
Subscribe for more videos.
Images. Then go to the remaker. AI. First insert AI. Portrait, then your real. Create if you want to face swap this. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch comments below if you have any question.